And I finally got my vents in. They're the charcoal filters. And I got the cover off. But I found out, so excuse my mess, but I found out this cover grate that goes over the electronics was so filthy. And it goes over here, covers this area, and it's not dirty back there, but it was covering that, and you can see that's where a lot of the stuff is coming from. Now back here, I'm gonna have to do some cleaning, but it's really not that bad. I can feel some oil back in there. But the surprising thing is the charcoal vent, where you can see the oil has come through here, but it's not gunked up entirely. But, and that's misleading, because you can see the oil has come out of here, so it's been bleeding oil, and that means it's saturated. It's not gunked up, but it's past its life, and it can't do anymore. And so I've got the replacement ones there, and I'm going to go ahead and replace it now.